What are you doing? Huh? Logan? What are you doing in the sink? What are you doing? Oh. Yeah. You got some water on you, huh? Yeah.
What are you doing?
Taking a bath in the sink, Daddy. You're all done?
Hey, shut the water off.
We'll send this one to the grandparents. This is what you're missing. Logan, turn it off. You're getting all wet.
Take your shoes off.
It's cold water, honey.
Is that cold? Logan, is that cold? No.
Logan, what are you doing, honey? Huh? Let me see.
What are you doing?
You ready to go bye-bye?
Brush your teeth.
Logan, are you all done?
He's just washing himself in a minute. Alright, you done? They all done.